You know, time is always moving, just like our life is. The sun rises and sets, everything is going on. And within that everything, we are just still waiting, waiting for that perfect moment to arrive, waiting for that perfect time, a perfect achievement, a fulfillment to be happy. But what if I say that moment is not coming? The happiness we all are searching for, it's not in some faraway future. It is in the present moment we have, right now, right at this moment. And what we are doing, we are just rushing to be a little more. A little more, I achieve that thing, then I'll be happy. A little more of this, then I'll be happy. But it is in this present moment, in this very moment. We are just running. We are chasing the things. We are actually too much overthinking, too much planning, and everything just too much. When the ancient wisdom says, Ati sarvatra varjayet, everything in excess should be avoided. Why? Because life is not a race. It is not to chase but to live. And in this race, while we are chasing the unanimous things, the future which is unwritten right now, we forget to be, just being in the moment. Tell me, when was the last time you enjoyed a sunset without taking picture of it? Tell me, when was the last time you just sat with yourself without fixing anything or without planning anything, just being? When was the last time you had a cup of coffee without just thinking of some things or just really trying to build up all the so-called plans for future? You know, whatever you have is right now. You should be grateful for the littlest of the little things. When I mean that, it means you wake up in the morning, you should smile, be grateful for it. Many people will not. Your loved ones, all of them are near to you. Okay? So, hello. That's the moment to smile as well, while many won't have that. So why are we chasing? Why are we on the behind the things which are not really existing? The past that is gone, the future that is unwritten. What we have is right at this moment. It is right now. So why don't we just stop, reflect, pause, and just be at this moment? So today I just want you to take out time for just being. It isn't too much. You have been planning, you have been worrying about the future, you have been thinking so vividly about all the things that are going to happen, that has had happened to you. But why don't you just be? Just be. Try to live a little more and worry a little less. Let life be in its being. Life is to live. Love you all. Take care.